traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So we finally had a big push down. Gold was kind of delayed compared to some of the other dollar pairs. Now, I put my Fibonacci extension on the first impulsive and projected it off the top of the lower high in the Kretzen, because if this was an ABC, then it would probably go down to a much more shallow Fibonacci level. This went down to the 178 Fibonacci extension of the first wave, projected out the top of the second wave. So that tells me that it's probably not an ABC. It is very, very likely a 1, 2, 3, which means more than likely this will make some sideways action for a wave 4, and then eventually go down again for a wave 5, and this is probably just a wave A of a bigger correction on the daily time frame. I'm not really sure if it's the big wave 4 on the weekly monthly time frame yet, but it is at least a wave A of a much larger correction. So after this wave A is complete, it probably will go up. It probably will break structure. And it'll probably make a correction to the whole move down for most likely a wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.